परम आदरणीय राष्ट्रपति महोदय श्री प्रणब मुखर्जी जी और केंद्र सरकार में मेरे साथी, मेरे सहयोगी कर्नल राज्यवर्धन राठौड़ और केंद्र सरकार में इस विभाग का सचिव श्री राजीव गाबा, जूरी का सभी सदस्यगण और सभी पुरस्कार ग्रहीता और आज इस विशेष कार्यक्रम में आए हुए सभी बहनों और भाइयों, I feel it's an honor to be present here and addressing you all at this occasion of the celebration of Indian cinema, which is a religion of all religions in our nation. It's a religion of all religions. There is a saying which goes as following: cinema is the reflection of life with all boring parts cut out. Indeed, films transport us into a parallel world, giving us reprieve from our daily mundane lives while provoking our thoughts and imagination through entertainment. It is the most beautiful form of expression that encompasses a multitude of visual arts such as music, dance and drama. It is also a medium through which contemporary socio-economic, political and cultural issues of individuals and society are showcased. The language of cinema is universal. The cinema language is universal. Whether you know that language or not, you will understand the message. That is the greatness of the cinema. It is a powerful tool to reach out to people transcending the boundaries in society. Indian cinema has remarkably showcased the vast richness of our cultural diversity, our beautiful landscape, languages, and has been a great unifying force promoting our national integration. विविधता में एकता, भारत का विशेषता, अलग भाषा अलग वेश, फिर भी अपना एक देश. Irrespective of caste, creed, sex, religion and region, India is one. We are one nation, one people, one country. That is the message. Since the making of the film Raja Harishchandra by the late Dadasaheb Phalke in 1913 as a Mookie silent production, Indian cinema has undergone a great transformation through process of cyclical change in respect of themes and technology. Just now we have felicitated this year's Dadasaheb Phalke Award winner, the great director of Indian cinema, Sri Kasinathar Viswanath. His specialty is no violence, no vulgarity, no obscenity, no fighting. But cinema was entertaining and it became a great success. That is the example he has shown to all of us and is a great inspiration to the budding directors who want to make a debut in the films. Friends, we have seen also just now, the Prime Minister has given a call to all of us, Make in India. And the Make in India is also reflected in the recent movies, one after another. They are all now becoming popular not only in India, but also across the globe. Whether it is Dangal, whether it is Sultan, or now the latest is Bahubali, is making waves across the world. It has become a trendsetter in all respects and bears testimony of the scale of grandeur in Indian films. It is a shining example of Make in India. Essentially a homegrown feature produced by homegrown talent and technology like visual effects, computer-generated imaginary. I congratulate the director and his highly skilled crew for this wonderful achievement, which is making all of us proud that India also has that talent and capacity and caliber. We are second to none. That has been proved beyond a point. India produces the highest number of films every year in the world, with about 1,500 films per year and 25 to 30 releases every week. The role and importance of film industry is too significant to be ignored. It is the cheapest available entertainment for the mankind in the country and in the world also, the film. Apart from the economic dimensions, the film industry assumes more importance as it seeks to reach out to the minds of the people by engaging the viewer for about 2.5 hours every time he goes to watch a film. The larger question that emerges is how creative, constructive and meaningful this precious engagement is. That is where all stakeholders need to reflect. On this important occasion, I would like to call upon everybody, please reflect on this aspect. It is widely acknowledged that visuals have the most enduring influence on human mind and psyche. That's where the slight degree of caution is required. The film production is all about creative handling of a theme. In the pursuit of commercial success, I regret to note that this creative element is on the decline, and instead more and more routine and creature products are also being dished out. But there are many exceptions to this. Cinema should celebrate the life in its various forms and dimensions. In the process, the viewer should relate himself to what he gets to see on the screen. Care and caution should be taken while depicting stories of tragedy. This engagement could be plain entertainment and a reinforcement of certain values and practices, or an enlightening, elevating and revealing experience. Industry has been making its own choices in this regard, and I believe artistic freedom is paramount in such a field. Friends, with the history of over 6 decades, the National Film Awards have attained a prestigious status that is recognized not only in India but also in the global cinema. The National Film Awards is a step in the direction to showcase our capacity, our caliber, to set standards and recognize the efforts of Indian filmmakers and artists who achieve high standards of filmmaking. Today, I am honored to be in the midst of some very important, talented and creative people who are a part of our film industry journey. From promotion fund set up by government, provide film promotion fund is a new initiative taken up by this government.
Undoubtedly, K. Vishwanath is the pride of Indian cinema. Dada Saheb Phalke Award అందుకున్న కళా తపస్వి కె విశ్వనాథ్ కు TV9 శుభాకాంక్షలు.
Thank you, sir.
రాష్ట్రపతి భవన్లో 64వ జాతీయ చలనచిత్ర అవార్డుల ప్రదానోత్సవ కార్యక్రమం ఎంతో ఘనంగా జరుగుతోంది. భారతదేశానికి చెందిన ప్రముఖ సెలబ్రిటీలు చాలామంది ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి విచ్చేశారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా మన తెలుగు దిగ్గజ దర్శకుడు కళా తపస్వి కె విశ్వనాథ్కి కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం ప్రతిష్టాత్మక దాదా సాహెబ్ ఫాల్కే పురస్కారాన్ని ప్రదానం చేసి సముచితంగా గౌరవించింది. ఈ క్రమంలో కళా తపస్వి మాట్లాడుతూ కూడా తను ఇవాళ ఈ స్థాయికి రావడానికి కారణమైన ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి, తన ఫ్యాన్స్కి అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేశారు. అలాగే కేంద్ర మంత్రి వెంకయ్య నాయుడు మాట్లాడుతూ కూడా ఎలాంటి హింస, అశ్లీలం లేని చిత్రాలు కళా తపస్వి నుంచి మనకి అందాయి. వారు ఖచ్చితంగా ఈ దేశానికి గర్వకారణంగా నిలిచారని వ్యాఖ్యానించారు. అలాగే తెలుగు దర్శకుల్లో మొట్టమొదటగా దాదా సాహెబ్ ఫాల్కే పురస్కారాన్ని అందుకుంటోంది కళా తపస్వి విశ్వనాథే అని చెప్పడం చాలా సంతోషం.
I'm sure we'd all like to hear what K. Vishwanath sir has to say at this legendary moment. Requesting you, sir, to say a few words.